Join me as I put the Motorola Moto G75 to the test to see if it's truly the most affordable 5G smartphone of 2025. In the world of smartphones, affordability and 5G connectivity are two of the most sought-after features. And that's exactly what Motorola is promising with the Moto G75, a device that claims to bring 5G speeds to the masses without breaking the bank. Finding a reliable yet affordable 5G smartphone in 2025 is no easy feat with so many options on the market. It's hard to know which devices are worth your hard-earned cash. Many budget-friendly options sacrifice performance or features to keep costs low, leaving consumers with a tough decision to make. But what if you didn't have to make that compromise? What if you could get a fast, reliable, and feature-packed smartphone without emptying your wallet? That's the promise of the Moto G75, but can it deliver? One of the biggest challenges consumers face is finding a device that checks all the right boxes without breaking the bank. We've all been there, scrolling through endless reviews and comparing specs, trying to find that one device that fits our budget and meets our needs. But more often than not, something has to give. Either the performance isn't quite there, or the camera leaves a lot to be desired. But what if I told you there's a device that's about to change the game? The Moto G75 is Motorola's answer to the affordable 5G smartphone conundrum. With its sleek design and impressive specs, it's clear that this device is gunning for the top spot in the budget-friendly market. But what really sets it apart from the competition? Let's dive in and take a closer look. Under the hood, the Moto G75 packs a powerful punch with a fast processor and ample storage. The display is bright and vibrant, making it perfect for streaming your favorite shows or playing graphics-intensive games. And with a long-lasting battery, you can enjoy your favorite content all day long without worrying about running out of juice. But how does it compare to other devices in its class? One of the standout features of the Moto G75 is its ability to hold its own against more expensive devices. With a camera system that rivals some of the top-tier flagships, you'll be hard-pressed to find a better option at this price point. And let's not forget about the design. The Moto G75 looks and feels like a premium device, despite its budget-friendly price tag. But is it enough to set it apart from the competition? So what makes the Moto G75 truly special? In a word value, this device offers an unparalleled level of performance and features at a price that's hard to resist. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for a reliable daily driver, the Moto G75 is definitely worth considering. And with its affordable price point, it's an option that's finally within reach for budget-conscious consumers. In conclusion, the Moto G75 is an impressive device that's set to shake up the affordable 5G smartphone market. With its impressive specs, sleek design, and unbeatable value, it's hard to find a better option at this price point. So what do you think? Is the Moto G75 the most affordable 5G smartphone of 2025? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other tech reviews for more in-depth looks at the latest and greatest devices. The Motorola Moto G75 in a clean, well-lit setting with a catchy music intro. Narrator excited tone. Is it possible to get a powerful 5G smartphone without breaking the bank? You bet! In 2025, Motorola has delivered a game-changing device that's affordable, feature-packed, and ready for the future. Introducing the Motorola Moto G75. Stay tuned to find out why this is one of the best budget 5G phones of the year. Text on screen. Moto G75 Review, Affordable 5G Smartphone of 2025. Section 1. Design Display. Cut to a close-up of the phone in hand, showcasing its sleek design. Narrator. Let's talk design. The Moto G75 sports a sleek and modern look with a premium feel. It's crafted with high-quality materials that give it a solid, sturdy build without the hefty price tag. Text on screen. Sleek design, premium feel. On the front, you get a 6.5-inch FHD Plus display with a smooth refresh rate. Whether you're scrolling through social media or watching your favorite videos, the colors are vibrant and the visuals are crisp. Perfect for an immersive viewing experience. Section 2. Performance. Cut to performance benchmark graphs, gaming, and multitasking clips. Narrator. Under the hood, The Moto G75 is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, paired with 6 GB of RAM, making it more than capable of handling day-to-day tasks, multitasking, and even casual gaming. With 5G connectivity, you can expect faster download speeds, smoother streaming, and lag-free browsing. Text on screen. 5G connectivity, smooth performance. Whether you're streaming movies, playing mobile games, or navigating through apps, the Moto G75 delivers a seamless experience. And the best part? It's priced to be super affordable. Section 3. Camera. Cut to images taken with the Moto G75's camera, showing vibrant, sharp photos. Narrator. Now let's talk about the camera. The Moto G75 comes with a 50MP primary camera and an 8MP ultra-wide lens. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes or close-up shots, the Moto G75 has you covered. And for all the selfie lovers, it's equipped with a 16MP front camera that takes amazing self-portraits. Text on screen. 50MP camera, 16MP selfies. Section 4. Battery life. Cut to a battery icon showing charge over time, then scenes of usage throughout the day. Narrator. Battery life? No worries. The Moto G75 is powered by a 5,000 mAh battery, which gives you all-day usage, whether you're gaming, watching videos, or chatting with friends. Plus, the 20W fast charging ensures your backup to 100% in no time. Text on screen. 5,000 mAh battery, 20W fast charging. Running on Android 13, the Moto G75 offers a clean, bloatware-free experience with some nice Motorola-exclusive features, like Moto Actions for easy one-handed use and Moto Display for quick glance notifications. And, of course, you get the latest security updates to keep your device safe and secure. Text on screen. Android 13 Moto features. Now the best part, the price. The Moto G75 starts at an unbelievable $249, making it one of the most affordable 5G smartphones of 2025. If you're looking for a budget-friendly 5G phone that doesn't compromise on performance or features, the Moto G75 is definitely worth considering. Text on screen. Price. $249, best budget 5G phone. So, is the Moto G75 the best value 5G phone of the year? Absolutely.